Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how to make cheesy, delicious pizza. Abracadabra. I have flattened bread and tomato paste. Spread it like this until it looks very delicious like this. So my first topping is some mushrooms. Now I'm just scrambling the eggs. Put the egg on the pizza. And now put some pineapple and some olives and a little bit of jalapenos with some onions. With some mozzarella cheese. Yum. And now put some cheddar cheese. Yummy, yummy. I know before it doesn't look pretty good, but when you cook it, it'll be so cheesy and good, and it'll be satisfaction. Now let me put it inside the oven and wait. If you like this delicious recipe, like and subscribe. I just want to